This is how to enable comments so that other people may be allowed to comment on your video. Open up the YouTube app, go onto your profile picture and go onto YouTube Studio. Go onto settings and then go onto channel, advanced settings. Make sure this is on no. Set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for children. Go on upload defaults, advanced settings. Make sure comments are turned on. Now go to the video that you want to turn comments on to. So I want to put comments on this video. Go down, put this on no, it's not made for kids. Age restriction, no, don't restrict my video to viewers 18 only, over 18 only. Go right down, make sure comments are turned on, and press the save button, remember. And then, so I wanted to now go to my video. So go to the video that I just enabled comments onto. So I put my channel name. Like so. Go down to the video that I've enabled comments onto. So it was this one.
Next.
Go right down. Well, sometimes you have to go right down if you're on mobile. If you're on computer, it normally shows at the top. And then you may be able to enable a comment right here. So I want to say hi. I could just comment that there. If this video has helped at all, please do like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.